Hey folks, Chris, Kentucky Woodsman here. Going to take a little hike back to a waterfall here in Letcher County, Kentucky. It's called Bad Branch Falls. It sits in the shadows of the second highest peak in Kentucky, which is Pine Mountain. It also sits in the shadow of the number one highest peak in Kentucky, which is Big Black Mountain. Stay tuned. I think you'll enjoy the hike. Bad Branch Falls is located in the Bad Branch State Nature Preserve. It contains over 2,500 acres of forest slopes on the north and south faces of Pine Mountain in southeastern Letcher County. The preserve was acquired to protect habitat that supports more than 30 species of rare plants and animals. Because of its pristine condition and excellent water quality, the stream was designated as a state wild river in 1986. A 60-foot waterfall that plunges over a sandstone cliff crowns the natural beauty of the preserve and is the focal point of the hike in this rugged lower gorge.